Hi. I did.
He heard the squeak.
Who is this?
Baxter.
Baxter.
This is Baxter.
Hello, Baxter. Oh, hello.
He seemed to know what was going on in here.
Do you? Oh, you know what's
Oh
up?
my gosh. He knows.
You know what's up?
He already knows.
Where's it coming from? Good boy. Easy. I know, you think I'm asking for a high five?
All right, let's take his leash off.
Did you see him jump up on the counter?
Yeah. Good boy, sit. Stay.
Oh, sorry, are you okay?
Yeah.
Stay.
Just startled me. Right in the kidney.
Stay. 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 Good boy, stay. Good boy, stay. Good boy. All right, come here. Come here. Right here, look. Right here. You're very confused. Come here. Stay. Good boy.
He's ready to go.
Stay. Come. Oh my goodness, the drool. Come here, Baxter. Come here. Good boy.
Perfect.
Good boy. Oh yes, you got a squeaky
Throw
there.
a treat on the floor.
Okay, look.
Good. Have him sit, please.
Good boy. Here. Over here. No, I'm squeaky driven. All right, come here. Baxter.
Maybe you can smell the trees, go get him.
Baxter. You're silly. You're a silly one, that's for sure.
Lay down too. I bet he would do it.
Okay. I'm gonna.
She's got her treat, baby. Come on, treat. Maybe smell it.
And I would take a standing too.
Maybe you're very handsome. Very handsome.
You got your nose is just a working, huh?
I know, it's just
What do you think? What do you think? Sit. Down. Down.
Oh.
Down. You want a high five? There you go. Good boy. Easy. Easy. Good boy. Sit.
Hold on, let me change the lighting and I'll do that high five again.
Stay. 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 Good boy. Good boy.
All right, hold on. All right, do have.
Come. Come. Sit. High five. High five. Good boy. Good boy. You go down. You go down. Sit. Right, come here.
He may not know down, it's okay. Treat the camera. 1, 2, 3.
You're a fast boy. You're a fast boy.
All right, let me go back to where I was.
You would love some agility classes, I think. I think that's what you would like.
All right, tell him to stay.
Stay. Stay.
Oh! It's like, where's my treat? I did, the flash went off, I want my treat. This is he's well behaved. He's just excited. Good
Good
boy.
boy.
All right, let me get his attention while I look at these.
Good boy. I'm going to see if you'll lay down. I'm going to just see. You lay down. Down. Here, sit. Down. Sit. Stay. Stay. Down. 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 Good boy. Down. No. Okay.
Let's try a standing. Actually, let me take this here.
Oh,
Good
that was a cute
boy.
little paw up. He
Yeah.
was like,
And then he twists him like this. It's adorable.
All right, try
Come here.
again.
He's a pretty dog.
This is good. I want to try and get a standing.
Yeah,
I know he sits by default.
yeah.
Don't do fast treat to camera. A little too parallel. This is good.
Whoa! I know, kiddo. I know.
Let me try this here.
Oh.
Good boy. Easy. Good boy.
Hey! Hey! Good boy.
Good boy. Come here.
All right, let me look through some of these.
Treat. Good boy, silly. You're so silly. With your little tiny tail.
All right, try and just lure him slowly into the standing. So with Mary, with the treat to camera motion,
Stay.
the one you're doing doesn't, for what I'm trying to get, doesn't work
Stay.
because he
Stay.
comes too close.
Stay. Come.
Because what ends up happening, what I'm
Good. Stay. Hang on. Stay. 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 Stay.
that was better. He was a little too far.
Well,
This is better.
I thought I was setting him for walking towards you.
I don't necessarily want him walking towards me. I want,
Oops, I dropped that. Oh, stuck
because
to
what
me.
ends up happening is that their heads get too big and their
Okay.
bodies get too small. So I really just want him
Standing like here.
standing right there, yeah. Not necessarily action at the camera, more so
Okay.
standing. And if not, it's fine. I'll take.
He's a sitter.
My thought is if you squeak while I have him in a stand.
Yeah, just start him farther back. That could work. The other thing
There you go.
there you go. There you go. All right,
There it is.
perfect.
Good job.
Good boy,
The other-
Baxter.
I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
The other thing I'm trying to do is get enough white space for Instagram. So if they're like taking up too much of the frame, I have to edit a lot. So I'm
Right.
trying to, so like,
Yeah.
whoa! All right, he's good.
All right. One more.
You did good.
Yeah, good boy. I'm done.
Good boy, baby. Good boy.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah, he did. He couldn't wait.
You
to
had a
come
good
here.
time. Bye.
Let me
Bye,
in.
Baxter.
Come on, Baxter. Come on, cutie.
Bye.
Say bye, Adam. Okay, okay.
Oh, I know.
All right, okay.
Sorry.
He's got the squeaky. Yeah, I know. He likes squeakies. He definitely likes